Hey guys, Mur-lock here, back once again. I hope everyone's having a great day as always. And I think I got a bit of a shorter video for you guys today. Not famous last words, but at least I think so anyway. I got a package here, and this is from Mr. Mur-lock 68. We got talking, and he had a lock that forever has been on my must-have list. It's been on the top of my list for a while, but something I never thought I would be able to get my hands on, because they're usually kind of expensive and not usually something people want to part with. But he had two of them. One, I think they were both keyed alike actually, and one key for both of them. But I was okay with that because I think I can manage to work something out. But anyway, in return I gave him, well, he really likes my picks apparently, so I made him some more picks, and I gave him some Lockwoods, so I think we both walked away very happy. I know I'm happy with it anyway. I hope Murs is happy as I am. But yeah, we'll just get into this and I'll show you guys what it is. Some of you may already have an idea. I think I crossed everything off of here. Hopefully there's no information. I think I see a seam here. Yep. Yeah, it kind of feels like, like I said, I only know one thing in here, but it kind of feels like there's more than one thing. Because there's a little jingle. Alright. Let's just... You definitely package this up nice and good, Mur. I always appreciate that. Yeah, there's more than one thing in here. What the hell? Okay, box is empty. Alright, not too sure why my video cut out, but this I didn't get any further than where we were. Oh, sweet. Master Lockout Tagout. I actually have never ever had one of these, believe it or not. It's a long shaka one. No key, but ask me if I care. Yeah, these are pretty nice. Hard to make out the keyway there, but yeah, best Core Master makes, and it's in a plastic lock. Whoa, dude. Okay, so this is the item, and oh, so we do have a key for the, presumably for the Lockout Tagout. Works great. Man, that's a long lock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pin. Beautiful. I'll just leave that out for now. And some stuff here I really wasn't expecting. We got a Pictomedico. I might be able to... Oh, it's not pinned. But there is a sidebar in it. Cool, might be able to do something with that. And we have a best here, or at least SFIC. Huh, it has a screw-on tailpiece. I don't know if I've seen that before. Oh, yeah, I have. And, no way, Mako. The 427. Is this... Okay, cool. American Lock Keyway. Man, Mur, I wasn't expecting all this other stuff. That's cool. And yeah, I should say too, I've been pretty excited to open this package because surprisingly, it only took 4 or 5 days to get here, and I was not expecting it to come in yesterday. And yeah, it came here extremely early yesterday morning. Usually the mail only comes by like around 12, 1 o'clock, but it was here before 10 o'clock in the morning, and I was out doing my morning errands. So yeah, I got the package and I decided to wait till today to open it. So yeah, here we are. I've been waiting all night. Now this is what we originally discussed. What the trade was originally. Yeah. Wow, this thing is huge. I've never handled one of these. I know they're 2 inches in diameter though, from what I've seen online. And I'm going to make a pretty cool display for this, like I do with these here. But this is the lock I was discussing that I may have to sacrifice another lock for its sidebar and key. But it's a worthy lock to make a sacrifice for, put it that way. I don't really want to cut the rag, but alright. Sorry about that, guys. Mur, I appreciate the packing you did on there. That's awesome. Protect my new baby here. Holy crap. Look at this. Looks brand new. Sorry guys. Yeah, it looks brand new, and it looks like well, it's one of the twin keyways. I'm not sure. From what I've seen, I think there's 2 twin keyways, because I have this one here, and I have the one from Security Snobs, and they both have different keys. So I would love it to be this one, because I don't mind sacrificing the sidebar and key for this one. But it might be this one too, and kind of sucks to sacrifice the sidebar from this. But I mean, I could switch them back and forth depending on time of the month, or you know what I mean, what I'm feeling. But that's, oh man, again, Mur, I can't thank you enough, buddy. Like I said, I never thought I would be able to have one of these in my collection. First, we kind of thought there would be set screws on here, and it's a shame that ASA didn't put set screws on this. But yeah, I guess one more part to worry about. It's interesting. I wonder why they decided to put these holes in there. That is awesome. Actually, now that I think about this, if I have the right length core, and I think this is what, 1 inch and oh, if the full thing is like 1.5 inches. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to weigh my options for that. But yeah, I'm not gonna keep you guys too long. I actually got a few things to do, and got a few things to play with here too. Like I said, Mur, I really appreciate that. I'm glad we managed to work something out, and I think your stuff should be arriving on Monday at the latest, maybe Friday. I'm not quite sure. I haven't tracked it, but hope you're happy with everything, man. And yeah, if you once I get some more steel and stuff, I'd be happy to make you some more picks. One of the few ways I can say thank you. But yeah, guys, as always, I appreciate you sticking with me. appreciate your support, and catch you all in the next video. Look forward to seeing this mounted up similar to that. Probably have its own. Actually, now that I think about it, I could put this in the center and have smaller cylinders on each side. I'm gonna have to weigh my options for that too. Anyways, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.